Me never da fi come live, you know. Me never da fi say nothing, you know. Because me soon over here talk, you know. And I say, wanna me.
Welcome back to another episode of Dancehall Nightly Dose. Yeah man, and in this one more I have asked a couple questions. Is Vybz Kartel the greatest artist Jamaica ever produced? Yo, my people want to know, comment it below. Is Vybz Kartel the greatest artist out of Jamaica? You want to know what me think? Yeah man, Vybz Kartel straight man. Baddest artist Jamaica ever produced. The man ya beat Bob Marley 100 times, man. Bob Marley can't come nowhere near Vybz Kartel thing, man. And yeah, we know Bob Marley are the biggest thing, but Bob Marley no have the talent where Vybz Kartel have. Yeah, man. So I go on a couple reasons why Vybz Kartel is considered the greatest thing Jamaica ever seen. So one, culture impact. Vybz Kartel shaped dancehall beyond music. So Vybz Kartel have the slang. Vybz Kartel have fashion lock and mindset. You see what I say? Only few artists have them have the level of cultural control on Jamaican music, so what I say. The second reason, the man work ethic, him consistency. Even from prison, Vybz Kartel was dominating. Yeah, man. If you can remember good, man, Vybz Kartel was number one at one point. That's what I say. And even if him drop even if him drop while he was in prison, him never drop go far. He was always in the top 5. That's what I say. Yeah, man. And we see Vybz Kartel come back a road. Hold the number one spot again. So I say. So yeah, man, Vybz Kartel work ethic and him consistency. That's what I say. Non-stop release, man, in a prison, man. The man has a goal in a prison where 90% of them artists they were free. Never do. So I say. The man have some massive streaming numbers. Yeah, man, number one in the streaming, man. No other artist can test him when it comes to streaming. Third reason, global influence. His sound influence hip-hop, R&B and pop, even impacting global artists. Yeah, man, artists like Wizkid, Shatawali, countless artists, Drake, Cardi B. We also see Cardi B invite Vybz Kartel to our show. Yes, what I say. Travis Scott. Yeah, man. Busta Rhymes. DJ Khaled, and we can go on and on and on. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel now, man. So them say Bob Marley had a bigger worldwide and cultural influence. That no say. Even if Bob Marley bigger worldwide, Vybz Kartel is more talented. So I say, cause Bob Marley him have some strong message in him song them, but singing wise, a whole heap of artists better than Bob Marley in singing. you have Jimmy Cliff, you have Garnet Silk, you have Berry Saman, you have Barrington Levy. That's what I say. No for the other artists them better than Bob Marley when it comes to singing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up to all of the nightly dancehall nightly those listeners who make it this far. But don't move. Right now we have the dancehall queen Spice attack religion. So kick back and listen what go on. So yeah, me I say, yeah, man. Just remember for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, where the queen officer now.
Hey, God said take off those filthy garments. I mean when I come about, I mean when I talk about the Bible. Hey, come like you don't want me start my Bible study over here. Come like you don't want me reveal grace to you. And that you not push me for. And come like you don't want me reveal Grace Hamilton to you. I only make me not reveal. CJ Milan, you know you need a whole TikTok for yourself because me have to come talk about you the things where you do for dancehall too, you know, CJ Milan. Since as me I talk about some woman, but CJ Milan, big up yourself, the things that you're doing for dancehall, the great things them where you do for dancehall, me not hear nobody talk about it. CJ Milan is the people where I keep all of the big stadium show them sold out. CJ Milan, me I tell you, hear nobody talk about it. One season from the back. CJ, I want them something here. I first I have a show in Atlanta on the 23rd of May. So I want all I want to see the 8,900 I want all I want to need for come support the event 23rd of May right at Atlanta in a State Farm Arena. Me never see a lineup with big and nice so. Me never see a lineup big and nice so. A Spice I got there at that event then now. Spice is going to be at State Farm Arena May 23rd. All kind of people are going to be on the show. The Elephant Man are going to be on the show. Beanie Man are going to be on the show. Who's the on the show? CJ Million. Me never see a lineup nice so. You get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Vanessa Bling are going to be on the show. One man, yeah. Make sure you come out, come support that the 23rd of May, right at State Farm in Atlanta. Big top event. Buy on a ticket in Atlanta and come celebrate and support it. And big up yourself, CJ Milan. It's all about you. One CJ Milan on the app. The things that you're doing for dancehall is unheard of. And I don't see a lot of people talking about it enough as I would want them to. You literally revive dancehall, save it, rejuvenate it. And you are a part of the blueprint. Because I'm telling you, CJ Milan is responsible for the show that Vybz Kartel did when he came back from being incarcerated, when he sold out the Barclays back to back, giving us all these platforms where them say dancehall dead. Remember say them root out dancehall and say dancehall can't do this and the person you can't sell out. Then she come back and Alkaline, she put in the big stadium again, sold out event again. So you're doing a lot for dancehall and I think we need to commend you more often. As a woman as well. So big up yourself as a black woman. One CJ Milan. We didn't have to do an intermission and talk about that. Big up yourself, CJ Milan. You're doing a lot for dancehall music. Somebody say hip hop, love my hip hop. Well, me don't want to distract me because I'm going to start talking about be a different something. But yeah, big up CJ Milan. Where was I now? This nice, see? Where was I? Tell me. Me in the Bible. Oh, me in the Bible. All right, let me stay in the Bible. Let me stay in the Bible because remember my Bible not done yet, you know. Remember Jesus go at the well. Grab on the Bible, man, and come a Bible study. Remember Jesus go at the well. And when Jesus got the well, him asked one woman for a drink of water. And the disciple them and people them were around him look and same way like how you see some people that see sinners and ask them, the woman come like she a Pharisee. Them ask Jesus about why him a talk to the woman a Samaria or what she want name. The woman a Samaritan. The woman go at the well. Me talk to my mouth dry. And Jesus want a drink of water and him asked the lady for a drink of water. Because you remember, you say, you know, Prophetess Daniela Smith nothing mix up with me, you know. Remember, say, you remember on the words. Remember, you act like, say, the lady do something wrong and she nothing mix up with me because me a sinner. So the Jesus wanna pray to come back we talk about him. Because you go on like a fool, no God alone and the same things where him teach, you know, him hide and never teach me. Remember say the lady, Samaritan woman, Jesus asked her for a drink of water and the people them thinking would have scorned the lady. And even the lady herself couldn't believe that Jesus asked her for a drink of water that she said to God say, oh, come you asking me for water? And Jesus looked on her and said, lady, come and explain something to you. Me know say you have enough money here and liquor. Jesus said, me know say you have 6 man. Remember say, no, you make it look like say, me this or me that. Last time the man did say me promiscuous, me this or me that. Jesus knew that the lady at the well have multiple men. That mean to say in our terms, the woman a whore. Come the man who don't talk. So in a phone of mine, Jesus not a drink from her. And Jesus says, you don't want to give me the drink of water. Him never asked the clean people, them were having pretty clothes. Him never asked none of them disciples. Him could have asked any man. Jesus said, you come here, me know say you have enough man. And you may ask for the drink of water. So oh, now act like said Jesus never teach no say for judge, not for judge people. Oh, now read half of the Bible and now read the next side. When them go for anoint David and the whole heap of brother them think, hey, don't, hey, me not go give you. Come at the conference. Come at the conference. The link is in my bio. Go buy on a ticket and come at the conference. The conference is keeping July the 11th. The date change and the venue change. Because now go lock off that one here. May I invite everybody right now on the live to the conference. It is called Ruth and Boaz. Man, woman, who come put out. It is an all-white conference, so buy on the white. Matter of fact, the same lady, me never done with you, because me don't go talk about little part of blue. A whole heap of things me say you talk about. January morning, me never have on the blue, you know. Me come to a new character, she named Ginger. I remember, no say, me can't come out of blue, because me make agreement if it can't come out of blue. What was my name January morning? Besties, type it in the screen. Type my name January, no man, from January to February. If you know this in a blue ear, type my name when me give gonna come no man bestie, because you know go on like when I see people attack, you know, if you shut them up to, you know, make them drive no fear in you know, because them love come with all kind of thing for drive balloon and corner down, you know. Go over there, go ask her how me make agreement for can't come out of blue and can't stop wear blue, but what day you me never that wear no blue none at all. So oh, me never did January. Oh, me never did February when me name Ginger. What are you using the head now? Using the head, that's so when you see people build no want to tear it down, but you can't drive fear in them. I love me blue and my brand and my Billy from scratch from ground. Anybody at all where you see put on one blue wig, people call them spice all about. All when they no black, all when they no favor me, when you put on a blue ear, a spice your name and me build that brand there. Who no can't make build fear in me.